Let us also respect our choices, our parties. Let us respect everybody's choice of association, irrespective of who you want to associate with. That is what we fought for when we fought for multipartyism. To have a multi-party culture, we need to fight all this way, go to the streets, shed the blood of our compatriots, so that we can have, a one-party state. Let us fight for the space of our political parties, of our associations, of our freedom of thought, freedom of expression. Let us not see people suffer like what my brother Dennis Itumbi is going through, simply because of his principles or his stand. I condemn people who tortured Dennis Itumbi and who took him through that ordeal. Let us respect everybody, this party or that party, small party or big party, this alliance or that alliance, Azimio or Hasla, whichever coalition you belong, or OKA. Let us respect people's choices, and we can differ in terms of our opinions, but it does not mean that we have become enemies.